show you how to adjust the stars so it will idle a little better. Right here is your fuel to air. You hear how the idle is going up? Now So when we got in here, I grabbed the filter and kind of freaked out because as soon as you touch it, it just disintegrates. So I freaked out because I didn't want it to go in the motor. So I got it all vacuumed out now, and this catch down here was all filled up. This was disgusting. So now game plan is to go find a filter so that it can breathe properly, because if it doesn't breathe good, it ain't gonna run good, and we all know that. So we'll be back shortly, figure this out. We've got to start. It's a great starting machine. I mean, this is a great find. So I mean, it's just a little work, that's all. You just gotta have a vision, that's all. We'll get it done. This is the second bike we bought for parts. Plastic and parts that came with it. The parts. Extra cylinder. Not bad. Top end gasket kit. New key delete harness. Left case that was supposed to be good because the one on the bike was cracked, but as you can see, this left case is not good. Unbelievable.